Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming compatibility and signing into your Apple ID. This prevents interruptions later. Once done, open Wallet, tap the plus icon in the top right corner, and choose Debit or Credit Card. You can scan the card with the camera for speed, or tap Enter Card Details manually if you prefer. Make sure your billing address and phone number match what your bank has on file. Banks use those to verify identity and reduce declines. You now enter the card data and explain why accuracy matters. The bank cross-checks every field to approve Apple Pay. After scanning or typing the number, fill expiry and CVC, then confirm billing address and phone. Next, choose the bank verification method, text code, bank app notification, or a temporary authorization charge. If you select SMS, type the code promptly. If using the bank app, approve the transaction there. Once verified, Apple links the card securely to your device. You finish by setting preferences. Pick a default card and enable Express Transit if you use transit frequently. This speeds payments. Test the setup with a small tap at any NFC reader. You should feel a vibration and see Done on screen. If the card is declined, first open your bank app or messages to find verification prompts, then confirm the billing details in Wallet. If problems persist, restart the device, remove and re-add the card, or call your card issuer for authorization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.